We're gonna be playing just tornadoes, and so, and I will be using the Dominators, the Tives, and some of these. Well, first off, I'm gonna start with the Dominator 3. Squeak, squeak, gonna Dominator 3. Go. You know, I'm just gonna skip until I. Well, no, I'm not gonna skip. Oh god. Sound like a horn. Stop. Okay. Chloe, hurry! Okay, there we go. Oh god. God. Oh god. Am I inside? I'm inside of it. Wait, no, I'm not. Okay, yeah, I definitely passed that one. I'm gonna now use. I don't know what to say. Alright. You know, there's no tornadoes, but one time I was playing this, there's like a whole army of tornadoes. Tornado team. Tornado team. We would kill me. We would kill me. That's a fake cry. Is that my friend? Give my friend. That's my friend. You know what? I'm gonna go over here since where most of them go over here, because they start from here, then they go over there, because it's just one map. Oh yeah, wait. Delete. Over here, I don't know what that is. It's Twist-X. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Is there any tornado? No. Okay. I'm gonna start with why? Since I can't use the Dominator 2, I'm just gonna use the Dominator 1 and the Dominator 4. Itch myself. Tornado Stalker. Though that's a fictional one. See? Tornado Stalker 1. Going at 90. Oh, I can't even read it. I was on the sidewalk. It doesn't matter. The hell needs a road? In real life, you need a road. I want to see what the hazard does. Oh. Guess that's what it does. Turns light orange and go ding, ding, meow, meow, meow. Okay. It's a day 29. My throat hurts. Where's my water? Yeah, it's not here. Oh! Oh, wait, no, there's a... It just goes... and it just comes out of nowhere. It goes, hi! Hi, I'm a tornado. That's what it's like. Okay, this looks like a big one. Ying. Oh, look, it's another one. Going. Oh. You can't even see me. I'm gone. Oh, wait, never mind, I'm dead. Instead of being gone, I'm dead. You know, I'm both. I'm gone and dead. It's being dead means it's being gone. So. I'm just holding the brake. Yay! Like your best friend. Happy. I'm gonna drive through this one, then deploy on that one. Then I'm gonna go intercepting on that one. This one. And I'm gonna... Okay, so look. I'm gonna go into this one, drive through this one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I survived. Oh, I just got picked up. Oh, wait, never mind. Wee. Oh, wait, there's 4 more over there? Well, no, there's 3 more, because... Wee. Well, I guess I drove through it. Instead of just normally... Whoa. It's like, you have to. No, I'm not getting pulled by this one again. It says with the whole. What? I guess I'm like, oh my god, I'm getting thrown by my own friend. Well, no, not my own friend. Okay, stop. I'm gonna intercept it. You know, I'm just gonna go to this one because it's new. Okay. Now that... No! Can't believe... Oh my god, why am I like this? Jump, look. The Billie Jeans. Wait, no. Wait. The Billie Jeans. Wait, no. Oh my god. The Billie Jeans. Not my love. Oh, she's just a girl. And... T1. Delete vehicle. T2. Oh yeah, I loved this one. But I never knew where it was. Now I found the best car. Okay, this is the best. Look, the tornado already ran from me. That took so long. On just... I don't know. Alright, I turn. Okay, I still have to do EF5, EF3, EF0, which is going to be the easiest one, and EF... You know, I don't know. Just all of the possibly live tornadoes. No, I am running. What? No, I'm driving. Okay, there we go. Turn. Okay, there's my big nemesis. Okay, I just went under. Are those 2 tornadoes in one? Dude, they're 2 tornadoes in one. It's a multi-tornado. Jesus. What the heck just happened? What the heck just happened? See, this is what I was talking about. Oh no. Okay, finally I get ate it out. Turn. Man, that drift was clean. My voice isn't clean. Go. See, there's 2 tornadoes in one. Oh my god. Perfect pranking. Coming up on my cousin. After this video, I'm gonna go get water. A bottle of water, please. A bottle of water. No, right there. Oh yeah, perfect. Well, I am too dang far. Plus, I'm going the wrong way. It's supposed to be going this way. No. I miss Twist X and Richard Henderson. I just ran into her house. I hope the people that were in the house. Oh, okay, yeah. Yes. Oh, my eye hurt. Okay. Well, this comes up and go get water. I got it. Oh, wait, no, I survived. Or is it still coming? Wait, no, it passed. And I got a Capri Sun. Take a drink of this. No, wait, no, it's already been opened. Later. You know what? Yeah, this is gonna be done. So, thanks for coming to my channel. I'll see you in the next video, and maybe do some more intercepting.